Consonant digraph final SH. Words that end with SH. Fish, wash, wish, brush, mesh, dish, push, crush. ASH. Cash, dash, lash, mash, rash, clash. USH. Bush, gush, push, mush, rush, crush. Shama wished to eat a dish of fish and pushed the car to crush the bush.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.